So first, it's more smaller than the regular Droid when you first got it, if it's newer. So I'm just going to open up the box. I'm just going to put the phone aside, and we're just going to open this up. Okay, so first you have your charger for the computer. And this is another charger. I think there's a little plug, yep. And this is the battery for the thing. And then we have some getting started stuff. Sorry. Driving precautions and other stuff. And product safety. First, I'm just going to open this up. Okay, now it's opened up. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off. Okay, put this down. And then you're just going to open it up. Okay, I got it open. Now you're just going to put in your battery pack. Okay, just going to put this back on. Okay, now the front it just shows you the thing, so I'm just going to take this off. And just put the stuff away. Open up the stuff first. Okay, we got that. And then we have a plug for wall charger. Okay. Yeah, the plug goes right here. So just gonna put it right here. Just open this up. Okay. Plug it in. Let's just turn on the phone. Let's take this off. Just tells you the stuff for it.